Remove the fan assembly carefully to prevent bent blades, cut wires, or injury. Start by powering down the system at the disconnect and verifying the unit is de-energized using a non-contact tester or voltage tester. Wear cut-resistant gloves and eye protection because fan edges and metal can be sharp and springy. Loosen and remove retaining bolts or clips, holding the fan motor to the shroud while keeping one hand on the assembly so it cannot drop or swing free. If the fan shroud can reach a vertical surface, place it against a wall or lay it flat on a clean, protected surface to support the assembly and keep blades from contacting the unit edge. If wiring is tight, do not yank or let the fan dangle to create tension on conductors. Instead, loosen the motor conduit or disconnect and carefully feed the motor leads through to gain slack and then cap or tuck wires safely. Mark or photograph wiring orientation before full disconnection so you can reinstall motor leads correctly, and when reinstalling torque fasteners snugly to manufacturer specification to avoid vibration and subsequent blade contact. Common mistakes include letting the fan assembly swing and bend blades, which causes imbalance and noise, and the fix is to always support the shroud against a wall or lay it flat so blades remain straight. Another frequent issue is pulling on wires and damaging insulation or connectors, so avoid tension by creating slack first or disconnecting at the access point and protecting conductor ends with tape or wire nuts. A third problem is reattaching wiring incorrectly, which can cause reverse rotation or motor failure. Prevent that by labeling or photographing original wire positions and double-checking connections before applying power. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare options for mechanical handling and other home jobs. We connect contractors with work opportunities and host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from peers.